So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to add, subtract, multiply and divide complex numbers. So, as you can see here, I've got two complex numbers A and B, and I've been asked four things: to add them, to subtract them, to multiply them and to divide them. So, might as well start. So, with part A, adding them. So I've got A plus B equals 3 minus 2i plus 4 plus 6i. Okay, so now we want to add the constant terms and add the terms with I in them. So this is equal to 7 plus 4i. So it's really just like collecting like terms. Okay, moving on to part B. I've got A minus B, so A minus B equals 3 minus 2i minus 4 minus 6, 4 plus 6i, which equals 3 minus 2i minus 4. So, minus 4 minus 6i. Again, collecting like terms, so equals 7 minus 8i. Okay, so that's A minus B. So, part C, A times B. So this is where things get a little more interesting. So, AB equals 3 minus 2i times 4 plus 6i equals, so we've got 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 18i minus 8i. And then we've got minus 2i times 6i, or minus 12i times I, which is negative 1, so equals 12 plus 18i minus 8i, well it's just 10i. And we've got plus 12, which is just 24 plus 10i. Okay, so moving on to part D. I've got A over B, so minus 2i over 4 plus 6i. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the complex conjugate of the denominator. Now the complex conjugate is just a complex number like this with the sign before the I term reversed. So here it becomes 4 minus 6i. So I have 3 minus 2i times 4 minus 6i over 4 plus 6i times 4 minus 6i. Now this is equal to, now 3 times 4 is 12. So this is kind of similar sum to here, but different because there's a negative. So minus 18i minus 8i. And then we've got, then there's going to be a minus 12, I can see that, so I'm just going to skip straight to it. So this will just be a minus 12. All over 4 plus 6i times 4 minus 6i. Which is just, which if you use the difference of squares formula here, you can see that this will just give us 4 squared minus 6i squared, so 16, which that's what 4 squared is, minus 6i times 6i. Okay, well, I know that 6i times 6i is minus 36, so it'll be 16 plus 36, or just 52, equals over 52. Okay, so now here, now the minus 12 and the 12, they cancel, giving us minus 24i. Well, actually, my mistake. That shouldn't be a minus 24i. That's actually a minus 26i. Okay, and now, sadly, I've run out of room here, but 26 is half of 52, so this will come out as minus a half I, and it is bad practice, but I'll just put it here, equals minus 1/2 I. So that was how to add, subtract, multiply and divide complex numbers. Thank you.